Stuck inside a house I built. Lock the doors and close the shutters. With no strength left to cry for help. I hid in bed under the covers. Stuck inside a shade of blue. Sadness was my only comfort. I didn't know that only you could fill my world with all the colors. This is my awakening. Then when my heart was fast asleep, you were resurrecting me. I thought that I would never breathe. I thought the pain would never leave. But you're redeeming everything. Unreserved, unrestrained. Your love is wild. Your love is wild for me. It isn't shy. It's unashamed.
Love,
Your love
finally.
is proud.
My God, 6 years. 6 years. Tingnan ko, parang ako yun na. 6 years finally. Kada gising ko, ikaw na yung makikita ko. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-check ng cellphone everyday. To say or to chat good morning. Everyday ko na masasabi sa'yo good morning and I love you. So, ayun, let's be, maging excited tayo. Itaas natin si Lord sa araw na ito dahil siya yung rason kung bakit nandito tayo ngayon. I love you.
Uncontrolled, uncontained. Your love is a fire. It's burning bright for me. It's not just a spark. It's not just a flame. Your love is a light that all the world will see. That all the world will see.
Person mo lagi si Lord, si Lord pa rin yung laging unahin natin, and ayun, wag natin siyang kalimutan lagi. And lagi mong tatandaan na dito lang ako lagi sa iyo. Mahal na mahal kita.
May experience na natin mag-date hanggang gabi. Hindi mo na ako kailangang ihatid sa terminal every after this kasi sabay na tayong uuwi. Excited na ako gumising araw-araw na ikaw ang una kong masisilayan at sa wakas, pwede na ako magtampo kasi matutuyo mo na ako. This is the end of just you and me, in the beginning of us.
Love keeps its promises. It keeps
bakit minadali, bakit ang bilis ng kasal. Na sa totoo lang, sobrang tagal na natin itong hinihintay. Hindi naging madali. Pagkus mas marami pang challenges ang kinaharap natin. Patuloy lang tayong nagbabad sa panalangin at kumapit sa Kanya. We are victorious sa tulong niya. Kaya ngayong araw na ito, si Lord ang dapat mag-glorify at hindi tayo.
Don't give your heart in pieces.
Nais ko sabihin sa karamihan na ito ngayon, si EJ at Juday ay pinagmamalaki ko. Sila po ay isang magandang halimbawa sa pakikipagrelasyon. Dahil ang kanilang relasyon ay masabi ko natin may pagsama ng Diyos. At binilis ng Lord ang kanilang buhay.
I want to share with you guys na itong araw na to isa sa pinaka-perfect days ng buhay namin. It's not perfect kasi mababait yung supplier namin. It's not perfect kasi may mga guests na umattend. It's perfect because it's God's time.